Jeweler, mybenchjeweler.com. Hi, and I'm Mike. So today we've got a couple things to go through. One of them is I don't normally do a. I think it's a waste of time and waste of valuable time for customers who are trying to learn something, and then they got to sit and listen to something like this and decide whether it's worth watching or not. However, a week or two back, I had a customer who was trying to watch one of our repair videos, and he got quite upset with the fact that he couldn't see because my hands were in the way. Yeah, and he is right. And no matter how hard you do a video, sometimes that happens, and there's just not much you can do about it. Clocks are intricate, variable parts, hard to see inside the movement plates at what you're trying to point and do. So what it bothered me enough that and here again I'd been trying to come up with some sort of a way to mount my camera so that I had a better straight down view of what was going on. However, I was trying to put stuff together, it just wasn't going to work. And then I seen a video on YouTube where a guy used a monitor stand and converted it to work with his cameras. So I looked at that a dozen times and decided, this might work. So it's transferable. It clamps on, so you can clamp it from one bench to the next bench. We have several benches, so it might be kind of nice to be able to do that. And if it works really well, then I'd probably buy a double setup. So that's what's in this box. From his video and his list of items needed, I configured what I need. And I guess it's time to open the box and show you what I got up my sleeve here. Now we've got another video coming up, hopefully tonight. It's part 3 of cable cleaning clocks. We shot it a couple of 3 days ago, but half of it, the video clips got mixed up, or they didn't get copied, and so we got to start over on the part 3. So we'll do that today or tonight and get that up there for you. So this looks like it comes pretty nicely packed. So I will just kind of quickly go through this. This is my new camera video equipment stand so that we can do our videos more accurately. I'm still not a big guy on putting on music and putting on a front show and all that crap. I just, let's just get down to business and see what we got going when we're doing the video. That way you just get right into it, and we're not horsing around with 2 or 3 or 4 minutes. And I've seen that of all kinds of crap that leads up to nothing. It's funny because you sit and watch them for about 4 minutes and boom, it's not going to work for you. All right, this is just a tripod stand, and it's got looks like a 1/4 or 3/8 thread to the back, and that's going to hold the camera. So it's amazing we can't find anything that's made in America. Okay, so this is to hold your monitor, and which I said this whole setup is made to look at that, everything you need to know. This whole thing is set up and it's got cable lines. Wow, nice little outfit. It's made for strictly monitors, but we're going to modify this whole thing, and hopefully we'll be able to use cameras, monitors, and a speaker if we need, or a mic. And I have 2 different cameras. The one I'm using right now is a Sony, and seems to work really well for what we're doing. So this is a swing arm, and this is a single swing arm. Apparently I have to put this together. And then they make a 3 swing arm, which I also bought so that I had more height to mount the camera, so we can video in or video out without it disturbing everybody's line of view and trying to get things to work right. So hope the rest of it's in here. Don't. Looks like. Okay, these are some screws I bought for the camera. Going to hear the furnace kick on, but I'm just going to go ahead and talk through it because I want to get this video done as fast as I can here for you. All right. Ooh. You know, this stuff's really heavy, so I think it's going to work. It's going to be strong enough so we don't have a bunch of camera jiggle and so forth. And so anyway, this isn't my idea. By the way, this was a gentleman on YouTube who built his this way. He paid, well, with cameras and everything, I think about $1,800. And of course, I have a Nikon D7100, and I had a Nikon D200, a Nikon D, I forgot what that, a 100. Now they got the 850s out, and the Z9's coming out. Pretty nice. I'll give you a nice little pamphlet here, and well packed. I'm impressed with how some of these companies pack everything. We go out of our way to pack all of our cleaning supplies and our jewelry tools so that we have a lost my cutter. There it is. All right. Look at this. I'm pretty impressed, guys. That is your video stand tube. That probably weighs 5 pounds. I'm guessing. All right. So that all puts screws together. Here's the other one. Then you get a stand with it. I thought I ordered the 3 stand. I may not have done that. I might have disordered it. Well, that's one nice thing about Prime Video. You can send it right back. Look at that. All the tools are here for it. There's your stand plates, more cable hookups. This is a 2-arm. I thought I ordered a 3-arm. Let's look at that again. There's the baby that I was looking for. Here's your clamp on. And that's made out of, I think that's 1/4-inch steel. So this clamp, it's going to, and then this is 1/16. No, that's 1/8. That's your steel base to hold up, clamp it onto something. You wouldn't want to put this on glass if you had a glass bench or something. But almost all of our benches are heavy wood. So then another bracket here, and a rotating plate. There's another heavy steel bracket. I'm not sure what all this does. I'll have to look at it. You know. Anyway, I'm laughing because I'm kind of excited about the whole thing. Nope, this is the 3. Look at that. I guess we can just open it up. Now, look at that. Get that out of there. Look at that. Now I'm going to mount my camera on the very top of the pole, and then they make a monopole extension that you can bolt on top of that and get the camera way up in the air. So I didn't think I would need that, so I just bought I bought everything but that. The gentleman that was putting his together, showing you how to do it, he didn't have his camera mounted up on the top. He had it mounted on one of the lower arms, and the reason for that was that he wanted it to be able to narrate directly into his face. We're not doing that because we're using our camera and videos for education, training you how to actually clean your clocks, how to make jewelry, how to engrave, how to fix and repair pocket watches. I mean, we've gone through about a numerous amount of different things that we can do. So I'm impressed, fellas. This is a nice arm. This should be able to go clear out. See, my arm's in the way. Look at that. There we go. So I think this is going to work. I think I will give you a video of it after I get it all put together and show you how I did this. So this is going to, I hope, help us redo video 3 of how to clean your cable clock. And I think this will also, we'll be able to transfer this to the jewelry bench, and back to the clock bench, or any bench that we want where we want to do a demonstration. But I would, this was about $140 for all of the stuff that I bought, and I would easily put another $140 if this works, and set up 2 stands, 1 camera. I'm not ready to buy a new camera yet. We're looking at doing a Zoom educational course, and I was thinking about trying to set that up on Zoom, and that would require a different camera. But otherwise, we'll just continue working the way we do. But this, I believe, is really going to help improve the quality of our instruction videos on clock cleaning, watch repair, pocket watch repair, and jewelry repair, jewelry designing, and jewelry making. Especially if you want to get in the jewelry business at home as a sideline, especially during, I hate to even mention it, but the COVID. And if you're trying to, you can do like we're doing. We sell a ton of stuff on eBay, but we manufacture our own items. So, you know, all of our tools are made by us, except the pliers and forming tools and hacksaws and stuff like that, and jewelry saws. We of course buy that, and then we offer it at almost ridiculous, but about 4% above what we got in it. So, okay, this is the end of the video. I'm going to wrap this up. I'll get back to you when I have this all set up and see what everybody thinks about it. Till then, happy hunting, guys. And okay, what you're seeing now is my new video setup for my studio, and the camera is mounted on a monitor pod, and it's got a 3-leg arm holding the camera, so now I can adjust that camera pretty much anywhere I want. I can video it in so that you can see what's going on. I can video out. We can go all the way in, and we can adjust the movement. Oops, wrong way. The one thing that I've learned right off the bat, everything's backwards. So I'm sorry about that. It's going to take a little bit of learning. So right now you can see the cables on this side, which would be over here. You can see the cables. You can see the butterfly wheels right here. Another one over here. We can come back out a little bit while we're demonstrating, as you can see. And there's the cable here. This is the barrel right in there. Well, I still got my fingers in there, but there's the barrel. There's another barrel. Then straight down here, straight down, is the time barrel. These will hold the cables. So the monitor stand that I bought is now holding my monitor and my camera, and all the cables are clamped on there, so everything's out of the way. So we're going to start tonight with a new video, part 3 on the cable clock, and see how well this works after I get used to right and left on it. I forgot that this is going to be reversed from what I'm actually looking at, but that's all right. We can work around that. So pretty impressed with this, because now you get to see exactly what I see, and I think this is going to make the quality of the videos a lot better, and you'll be able to understand how to oil your kits, do your jewelry work, and all of this is training and learning. Allows me to adjust everything so that you can see what's going on. Thanks for watching. As always, appreciate it. This is a new addition to our video studio tutorial lessons. I think what we're going to have to do is buy another complete setup, so we can put it one on the jewelry bench, one on which is one is on the clock bench. That will it's just too hard to switch everything over from bench to bench. I thought it would be easy, but not that easy. So thanks for watching.